engine behind the car. This is the dipstick. We can check the oil level if you need to top up. This is the fill up cap. You can fill up right. Today we have a smart car. I'm going to show how to check oil level. She is the owner or big boss for the car. Pink color, see that this key. Anyway, we go to the job. First we need to open the door. Next step, we need to lift up this cover. Right?
Yeah.
Leave it like that. And after that, we need to twist this screw anti-clockwise. Right, lift. And right. Now we have access to engine bay. This engine behind the car. This is the dipstick. We can check the oil level if you need to top up. This is the fill up cap. You can fill up engine oil. Right. Show me how we're going to check the oil level.
I'm going to take this out and clean it.
Right. Yeah.
And now check. So it's full.
Yeah, this is the maximum level F. This is the low level L sign there. In between, you are fine. It's straight maximum level. I'll show you another small tip. 100% you are right.
Yeah.
But I'll show you small tip.
Okay.
First, we need to we need to wipe the dipstick like this. This is the full level. This is the low level. After that, vehicle need to be level surface like this, not tilt. After that, you need to install. Remove. Once you remove, hold the dipstick like this. When you hold upside down, this level gradually comes down. It's not right, but you done it correctly. Hold like this way. Then after that, check the level. See, if I hold other side, it's coming to here now.
Yeah.
Yeah. However, you know how to check your oil level. Once you check, you install. Then after that, little bit hustle when you're going to close this cover.
Okay.
I'll show you the tips. Need to line up these two here.
Ah, I see.
And there is a tab. See?
Yep.
Yeah. First, nicely lined up these two tabs. And after that, this one cross. And just turn clockwise. That's it. Easy.
Easy as.
That's right. And after that, it goes. Yeah. Right. Pink carpet also. Pink. Oh. Right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.